Um, this is the tight ratchet. It's supposed to work in the, you can't get a ratchet in the right spot, or just awkward position, and well, as you can see, I kind of blew it out. And we're going to figure out what's actually going on inside here, so you know what, let's take it apart, because it's a piece of FOD now, and see what it looks like on the inside. Check it out, YouTube. I saw this the other day on, actually it was a couple months ago, or a couple, 3 weeks ago. I saw on Facebook, or on YouTube, of all places, imagine that, right? This guy was using this in it's called a Tight Reach DIY do-it-yourself extension wrench. Okay, looks to me like it's gonna be a bunch of smoke and mirrors, but you know what? We're gonna see how it works. We got this. Let's see, we got 2 pieces there. So this goes going here. Okay. This goes there. This will go here, and this will go here.
Oh my gosh. That's crazy.
It is crazy looking.
The bottom part, the ratchet part,
Yeah.
this part right here, it can control the part where...
Yeah. Oh, you're in the way, boy. You're in the way.
Alright.
You're in the way. There. Can you see it?
Yep, we can see it.
And the question is, will it break? And it broke! Well, here, mental note to self. Hey, YouTube, I just saved you guys 25 bucks.
Yeah.
Don't buy that piece of FOD. By the way, if you don't know what a piece of FOD is, that's foreign object debris. Don't waste your $25. I wasted my $25 just so I can do this for you guys. Oh. And there you go. That's what it was. Chain, around some sprockets. And guess what? I annihilated that chain link. It's kind of a cool little design, though. Not worth $25, obviously. So there you have it. There you go, guys. Reason for failure? Chain broke. And I know what you're thinking. It's like, well, Canvas, why don't you get a bigger chain or another chain to put on there? Well, honestly, it ain't worth it. I will save these. I will save these though, because I think I can use these for something else. Oh wait, I always got an old bicycle chain over here. I wonder if that'll fit. All right, so where was I? Just before we were so rudely interrupted. Anyways, Tight Reach DIY do-it-yourself extra long reach for your job, for your type jobs, extension wrench. 3/8 drive adapter, and then you have a 3/8 to 8-bit adapter. Save your knuckles, save your time. Unless it explodes on you, then you're passed out. Anyways, on the back it says here, Tight Reach extension wrench, do it yourself. Save your knuckles, save your time. Reach those tight areas with ease. Turn bolt with 0-degree swing angle. Use with a 3/8 ratchet. The Tight Reach can drive from either side. Ultrasonically welded ABS plastic housing, chrome vanadium, hardened gears and inserts, low friction bushings, 1-to-1 gear ratio. Remove a hard to reach screw using our bit adapter. Rated for 35 foot-pounds of torque. Not built for use with an impact wrench designed by engineers in USA, but made in China. DIY instructions for use. Step 1: snap 3/8 by 3/8 adapter or quarter bit adapter onto either end of the wrench. On the other end of the wrench, insert 3/8 socket wrench. Place the appropriate socket 3/8 socket onto the 3/8 by 3/8 adapter. Drop the appropriate bit necessary of the job at hand. And you enter storage. Whatever. Piece of fod. Don't waste your money. Glad I wasted my money for you guys. Again, rate, comment, and subscribe. Hell, I'll even leave a link in the description if you want to try and get it. I got it on Amazon. I'm an Amazon affiliate. All your anything you purchase using one of my links will help provide funding for the channel. We're an unfunded channel. We're not even monetized yet because we're still searching for those subscribers and the watch time. But anyways, hey, I hope you guys enjoyed it. The other where it failed in the first part of this video, you'll see it. It's already there. Why am I talking? I don't know. Anyways, thanks for joining me again today. Again, it's an edition of Canvas Can. What's the worst? Canvas can do it, you can do it, right? It's the worst. You got to take it to the shop to get it fixed. Anyways, the Jeep's coming along slowly. Ran into a few pick-em-ups. As you'll see, the epic grease gun failure video, which I'll leave leave it on a card somewhere up there. You guys see it? You'll have a blast. It's funny. What not to do with a grease gun. Anyways, y'all have a great day. Rate, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for coming out and spending your Saturday or your day with me. Y'all.